let's take a look at question 18. Okay, so 2x plus root 3 minus 4x equals to 0. So 2x plus root 3 minus 4x equals to 0. So in order to solve a surd, we need to remove the square root. In order to remove the square root, we need to square. However, right, we can't square it immediately like this. Okay, now what we have to do is to shift the 2x over to the other side. Okay, so we get root 3 minus 4x equals to negative 2x. So taking squares on both sides, square, square. Okay, right hand side is easy, it's just going to give us 4x squared. Now, left hand side is also easy because the square will take away the square root. So we'll have 3 minus 4x equals to 4x squared. Shifts everything to one side. So 4x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so factorize 2x plus 3 minus 1. Okay, so then we'll get 2x minus 1 equals 0, x equals to half, 2x plus 3 equals 0, x equals to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so after we get the answer, okay, we always have to sub it back in to find out whether the equation works. Okay, so to sub it in, right, this is a necessary step. Okay, so but the subbing in is actually very simple. You just have to key calculator. Right. Okay, so we'll have 2 bracket half, okay, plus root, okay, 3 minus 4x. Now, before I even key the calculator, I know that the answer over here will be rejected already. Why? All right, so you see that when I key in this sum, it doesn't give me equals to 0. So that means this answer, I have to reject it. Okay, later I'll explain why. Okay, but let's just try the other number. So we have 2 bracket negative 3 over 2 plus square root 3 minus 4 bracket negative 3 over 2. Okay, so this one gives me equals to 0. So therefore, this is my only answer. Now, the reason why I knew that x equals to half is rejected is because of the simple reason, right? If x is positive, so that means this is going to be positive, and then you plus something that is positive. How can positive plus positive give me equals to 0? Okay, this doesn't make sense. So that's why I knew that the x equals to half has to be rejected by looking at the equation. Okay, but of course, right, okay, always sub it back in to see what needs to be rejected or what needs to be not.